Lottie. So today's video is another video for my Nikkietutorials cross Beautybay series. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So let's jump in. Alright, so first up, as always, I'm just doing my brows, so filling them in, popping gel to hold them in place. I then clean them up with my concealer, and then I just pop on some eyeshadow primer, and then I jump right in using the palette. Please excuse how red my cheeks are here. I was having very bad hot flushes that day. So I wanted to do a very colourful look, and so I decided that I would start with Vla, and that is the matte yellow shade, and I'm just popping that on the first quarter of my lids, and I just pack it on to get the colour that I want. I then jump into the matte orange shade Redemption, and I place that on the second quarter of my lids, and I just blend it into the yellow shade so that there is the nice transition. I then go in with Blend and Snap, which is a matte pink shade, and I just blend it in to the orange shade again so that it has the nice transition. I just place that on the rest of my lids. So I wanted to deepen up the very outer edge there, so I went in with the matte burgundy shade, and that is called Slasher, and just popped that on the very edges there and blended it out and also into the pink shade so there was the nice transition. I then went in with Ivy, which is the shimmer white shade, and I placed that all over the yellow and a tiny bit onto the orange so that I had the shimmer on the inner parts of my eyelids. I then went in with the shimmer pink shade, which is Pride, and popped that over the pink and a little bit into the burgundy as well. So off camera, I just cleaned up the edges and underneath, and then I went in and did my face makeup. So I started with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I placed this everywhere, and today was a bad day for my hot flushes, so I made sure to pop it all over my face, and I was very generous with it so that I didn't have any issues today. I then went in with my foundation and got that to the coverage that I wanted. Then jumped into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You can see here I keep touching my fan. You can probably see my plant moving in the background as well. I just had to have my fan on full bowl, so I apologise if that is distracting. I then set my entire face with my Nikkietutorials Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder, and again I was very generous with this today because of my hot flushes. I didn't want my makeup budging, so I placed it everywhere. Now that I look like Casper the Ghost, I thought I'd better add some colour back in, so I jumped in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronzed up my cheeks and my forehead. I then went in with my Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus Blush and just placed that on my cheeks and my nose. For the lower lash line, I just followed the same pattern from my upper lids. So I went in with Vla, then Redemption, then Blend and Snap, and then Slasher on the very outer edge. I then used my finger to use the shimmer shade Ivy and place that on my inner corners and also on my brow bones. And then my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette for the rest of my face highlighter. And set everything in place with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray. Again, it's in the Flower Beauty bottle. I then jumped into lips and I just used my Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil and my Flower Beauty Naked Blush lipstick. And topped it off with some Diamond Milk Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And for lashes, I just used my L'Oreal Paradise Lash Primer and then my L'Oreal Paradise Mascara in black. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the finished look. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I post lots of fun looks on there as well, and sometimes they don't make YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!